Okay, so by requested in the comments of a previous video, someone said make a Zippo lighter. So I was like, I think I can do that. And I actually have in the past made one sort of like this one here. But of course I cannot remember how I did it, so I made a new design. Anywho, here's the real one. Got the striker wheel, the chimney, wick is in there somewhere. And this is the Lego version. We have the striker wheel, the chimney, the wick, and a little flame on the wick. It is very adorable. It does close, in fact. I have a hinge in the back. This unfortunately has to look ugly. So yeah. Do a little deconstruction to show you how I made this. Now pieces, I started running out of pieces for color coordination, so that's why I have these black stripes. Let's see, what else can I get off here? Alright, so I can completely open up the one side. Like this. I'm focusing on that. Okay. So that would be closed. And here's the open, like, section. Everything sits in there nice and tight. Oops. Didn't want the entire thing. Okay. Here's the hinge I used. And then for this construction down there, that's how I had to put it on. And I used this interesting little piece. And there's this hole through it, and then it's on a base plate like that. I was like, that looks like I can use that. And this is the chimney design. That way, I don't think my previous model that I made when I was little had a chimney on it. And that all just sits on those base plates down there. Reconstruct this real quick. Oh, it's down here. And there you have it, the Lego Zippo lighter.